guys, Kelly here again with another video. And this video is going to be a little bit different. And this is my 7th time trying to record it. Between the kids coming down complaining about doing the bedroom and me feeling awkward just doing a video like this and over explaining myself, I have to keep redoing it. So, in a nutshell, brief as I can make it, I'm leaving Lancashire Crafty Lasses, and in turn Jan's going to leave, which, you know, means it's disbanding. Now, we have different visions for our businesses and for our business futures, and to stay together on the one website just isn't going to work. And I do have a self-employment advisor, and he has advised that, you know, I go my own way, which I think is absolutely correct too. And even making my own new website now, I have a fresh sense of enthusiasm. I'm adding more features, more services to it, which is just, it's making me happy to work on it again. Now, I feel like a website really, really works for me. Compared to Etsy and eBay and everywhere else that I've sold, having my own website has been key. It's been really, really good. Jan, on the other end, has her own opinion of that. Now, for me, I feel like you get out what you put into it, and I wasn't putting enough time into it, so I feel like I could have gotten out a lot more. So I have been setting schedules and everything with this new website to, you know, structure my day properly and to work on different components of my business at certain intervals, like, you know, up to now it's working. So I will do a separate video on my new website introducing it, because that should be up this week or next. Yeah, we just have different visions of where we want our business to go, and to be able to do that, we have to break the website, we have to go our own way with it, because it's not going to work on the same website. We both have different ideas of what we want and this, that and the other. And no, before anyone says it, we've not had a falling out at all, we've not even had a disagreement. The moment I told Jan that I was leaving, she was like, oh, I'm so relieved. So, you know, she wanted to do the same thing as me. You know, we just took a while to come out and say it, and I think that's the thing as well when you mix business with friendship. You don't want to offend the other person, or you know, I was dead worried about telling Jan that I want to leave, because I thought, oh, she's going to think that, you know, what if she takes it the wrong way, we're not going to be friends anymore, or this, that and the other, like, you know, you just don't know. When business is business, friendship is friendship, but you see so often that people mix the two, and then it becomes toxic and volatile. So alhamdulillah, praise be to God, and you know, that didn't happen with us. We are still great friends. We still had a lengthy conversation, and you know, I've been telling her my business idea, she's been telling me, you know, what she's got on her mind. We're still able to support each other, and we're always going to continue to support each other. I mean, we've become very close over the years, so that is never going to change. So for anyone out there who thinks, oh no, they've had a falling out, no, we haven't, nothing that interesting, like, if only, like, my life was that interesting. But it's not. No, I don't want a falling out for my life to be interesting, that was just a joke. But, you know, it's also nothing that exciting either, it was just a simple conversation. So yeah, no disagreements, no arguments, no nothing like that, don't get too excited. And yeah, we're both feeling very positive, I think, about the future, which is really, really nice. So yeah, that's about it. So I am creating a new website, and I can't wait to show you all. I'm so excited. I've been putting in so many hours every day into it, and coming up with new ideas, and oh, I'm so motivated right now, I can't even tell you. So yeah, that is that. I don't want to over-explain anything, because then I think that takes away from what you're actually saying, doesn't it? You know, simple explanations are always the best. We're going different places. What more needs to be said than that? And if you follow both of us, then you'll get to see the different places where we're going, won't you? Because, you know, we'll still keep you in touch through our journey. Now, I do want to say thank you to everyone who has supported Lancashire Crafty Lasses, and I would love it if you could support both of us in our new ventures. Yeah, just because we're not under Lancashire Crafty Lasses anymore, we're still going to be Lancashire Crafty Lasses. You know, because I think, as well as just being a business, I mean, we are Lancashire Crafty Lasses. That's why the name was made, because that is what me and Jan are. So we're always going to be that. We're always going to be close. We're always going to be, you know, a team, just more in the background now, where we support each other over the phone or whatever. But yeah, it's a good thing about friendship, isn't it? Things like this doesn't bother it. So I'm going to go now, and I'm going to take this cardigan off. It's so hot. See if the kids are tired of the bedroom, so then I can take them out for a walk. Walk them like puppies. No, I do want to take them out for a walk though, maybe for a bike ride or something. Now we're not under strict lockdown anymore. It's been lifted mostly. Some schools have gone back to school. Our school hasn't, and they're saying that they're not doing, and even when they do, they're only opening to year sixes. They're not following the government. They're doing their own thing. So, yeah. My kids aren't going back to school for the foreseeable future. I'm beginning to think that that's going to be September now, the start of the next school year. But who knows, we'll see. So yeah, let's get them out for a bike ride. I'm not taking them to parks yet, even though the parks have opened, because there's too many people swarming there. And where I am, Manchester, we're now the hot zone of this pandemic in the UK. So I mean, the R number has gone down, the infection rate number has gone down below 1. It's between 0.7 and 0.9 at the minute. So that is a good thing, but it doesn't leave a lot of wiggle room. And I feel like letting everyone out now and just do their own thing, it's kind of like a test, isn't it? It's like putting people in a petri dish and using them as guinea pigs and looking at them like the government's watching everyone through a microscope, seeing how it all works out. So I don't want to go to like public parks and things like this with the kids and then we be part of that test. So I'm going to stick to what we usually do. We're just going to go to the basketball court if there's no one there. And then they can ride the bikes around there. If not, they can ride the bikes around the houses, around the estate. Still gets them out and about and doing stuff, and then I get my walk. So that is it. Bit of nonsense at the end of my explanation video, but to reiterate, we're just going our own separate ways. No one's had a falling out. We're still supporting each other. That's how it is. That's how we're rolling right now. So yeah, please continue to support us and thank you for supporting us during LCL. Have a great day, enjoy the weather and stay safe. Bye!